This is the Eric Johnson 2006 Fender Stratocaster. This is the case. I mean, look how nice. I'm filming the case because it's so nice. That dot right there is a rivet. Look at that. There's two little nails coming from the case right there. But turn it over here. Look at how nice the case is. It's in great condition. Then we got the guitar. This guitar has been Plek'd, which is a very advanced machine that evens out the frets. So it plays really, really nice. This is called a white blonde. And you can see the wood grain through it. See how you can see the wood grain just barely peeking through on it? I love this finish on this guitar. I mean, look at the input jack. I mean, there's not even any scratches on it from the cord being put into it. Not a lot of use on this guitar. It's all original. You can see the frets here. Guitar is all original. Got a bone nut on it. I guess this is called a quarter sawn neck, which means that it, I don't know, it's made a certain way, I guess. I don't know. This is the back of the guitar. There's one tiny chip right here by the, see that? Eric Johnson model comes without the back plate on it. You can see the whole neck here. Tuning peg, vintage, staggered tuning pegs. It's a great guitar. Really light, 7.4 pounds. There was a USA sticker. These come with a USA, made in USA sticker, and that's a remnant of the sticker. There's a little hair right there. That's a remnant of the sticker. So you can see even the pick guard's not really, see if we can get it in the light here. See how the pick guard's not even really scratched up a little bit right there, maybe? Not a lot of play on this guitar. Not a lot of hours put in on this guitar. The guy I got it from was a telly guy, so he didn't play a lot of his strats. And then I have a whole bunch of Stratocasters. Comes with a little booklet, instructions there, the original plate that goes over the bridge, the tremolo arm, keys to the case, the original strap. There it is, 2006 Eric Johnson Signature Series. I'll plug it in for you so you can hear it.
Thank